Hey everyone, welcome back to fibonacciPi. Today we will learn one of the most important concepts in C#, if-else. This helps your program make decisions just like we do in real life. Don't worry, I will make it more simpler so you can understand easily. Imagine a situation like it's raining outside and you take umbrella, else you don't take an umbrella. That's exactly how if-else work in C#. Let's see a simple C# example. We check a person is eligible to vote or not. If the person age is greater than equal 18, then the person can vote. If the condition is true, the code inside of this block runs. If it is false, nothing happens. Now let's add else. Else runs when the condition is false. In this statement we have if age greater than equal 18, it will print you can vote, else you cannot vote, because the else will run only the age is below 18. What if we have more than two choices? That's where else if comes in. We can write if marks greater than 90, it will print grade A, else if marks greater than equal 60, it will print grade B, else it will print grade C. Now if the marks is 75, so what will C# print in console? Let me know in the comment section. Let's recap. If checks a condition, else runs when it false, else if check another condition. This is how programs think and decide. See you in the next video. Switch case in C#.
If you found this helpful, like, share and subscribe to fibonacciPi for easy C# lessons.